Wonderful viewers, I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. We have this figure before us. This is a triangle ABC produced to D. We have angles X, Y, and 70 degrees inside the triangle, and we have a stereo angle of 120 degrees. Then the question is, find the value of X and Y. To solve this question, we are going to adopt suitable theorems that will help us to find the values of the unknowns. Now know that line BD is a straight line. That means angles Y and 120 degrees are angles on the straight line. Okay? And we know that sum of angles on a straight line equals 180 degrees. So we can use that theorem to find the value of Y. When we get the value of Y, we can use another theorem that says that the sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So if we have the value of Y, we can get the value of X by simply adding up all these angles and equating them to 180 degrees. So that's the first method. Second method is this angle here is angle 120, which is an exterior angle. Every other angle inside this figure is interior angle. There is a theorem that states that the exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of two opposite interior angles. Here, the two opposite interior angles to these exterior angles are X and 70 degrees. So we can use that theorem by adding X and 70 degrees, equating them to 120 degrees. So we can also use that method to find the value of X. So there are several methods we can use. Now let us adopt the best method. My best method is to first of all find the value of Y using sum of angles on a straight line. Okay? To find the value of Y. Therefore, Y plus 120 degrees equals 180 degrees. So you give your reason because the examiner wants you to show all the steps. So give your reason. You just tell them that both of them, that's Y and 120, are angles on a straight line. So sum of angles, okay? Just tell them that the reason is that they are angles on a straight line. So sum of angles on a straight line. And we know that the value is always 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the reason. Now if that is the case, to get the value of Y, we are moving 120 degrees to the right hand side. So Y equals 180 degrees. Okay, this is plus 120, moving to the right hand side changes it to minus 120 degrees. Okay, and by the time you remove 120 degrees from 180, you will be left with 60 degrees. That means Y equals 60 degrees. Very simple. Now that we have found the value of Y to be 60 degrees, let us now find the value of X. Okay? Now, to get the value of X, we are going to use sum of angles in a triangle, which is equal to 180. Therefore, let's add up X plus the Y, which we have here, then plus 70 degrees, which is this one. All of them will be equal to 180 degrees. You give your reason. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So this is the reason. Okay. Now, Y is, we have found the value of Y to be 60 degrees. So we have X plus 60 degrees, then plus 70 degrees equals 180 degrees. Adding 60 plus 70 degrees will give us 130 degrees. Therefore, we have x plus 130 degrees equals 180 degrees. So moving 130 to the right hand side, we change it to minus 130. So we have 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. And this will give us 50 degrees. That means the value of x is 50 degrees, while the value of y is 60 degrees. And this is the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please, I wish my Christian friends happy Easter celebration. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.